MySep Studio Tutorials. How to add a liquid sealed agglomerator to an existing vessel. We have modelled a horizontal three-phase vessel. The demisting device consists of a deck of cyclones. However, our field installation also has a liquid sealed mesh agglomerator. We'll walk through implementing this feature. First, we'll need to remove the demisting device. We'll reinstate that later. Click on the demisting section. Note we have 53 cyclones. At the top right of the section panel, we click on the trash can symbol. Now click OK. As the section is gone, we revert to the vessel layout. Click on the vessel header in the project tree and drag the header above the layout. Now we can go to the Add Section button and select to add an agglomerator. By default, this will be a mesh agglomerator with a gas box. Returning to the vessel header pane, we'll go again to the Add Section button, and this time we'll select to add a second gas section. A third visit to the Add Section button, and this time we'll select to reinstate a demisting device. Now, navigating to the demisting section, we'll select demisting cyclones in place of the default mesh. Here we can check the number of cyclones and also match other aspects of the device geometry. Now let's adjust our agglomerator geometry and position. Click on the agglomerator section. Its bottom elevation is below the normal light liquid level. Input the longitudinal location, 6000 mm from the inlet tangent line. Now, if we right click in the flow area field and select Reset, the area will automatically adjust to fill the vessel cross section. You may have to use the right click and reset facility within the separation length input field for each gas section to get appropriate lengths calculated by the program. The final result will look something like this. It will provide a good model of how such a separator will behave. You may like to note that MySep prefers agglomerators and demisting devices to have gas boxes. Thank you and goodbye.